Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create this plate with hole geometry using Boolean operation. Let's get started. So, first I'm just going to geometry model. First I would create a plate 1 meter length, height is I'm giving 0.5 and thickness I'm giving 1.1. I'm just giving to preview with my geometry. This is my model. So just apply and close. I have created the plate. Then I just want to create hole as a cylinder. I just using the first option. Origin is the base point. Vector is OZ. Radius I'm just giving 0.1 and thickness also I'm giving 0.1. Just apply and close. Now I have created the cylinder at origin. I just want to translate this origin into center position. For that I'm going to use an option called operation, transformation, translation. So just click this translation. I just want to translate in x direction as 0.5 and y direction as 0.25 because the total height in y is 0.5. I just want to keep it in the center, so I just giving 0.25 and x direction length is 0.1 actually, so I just translating to midpoint of 0.5. So we can go for create a copy also. If I use a tick off option and create a copy, it will create one more object. If I untick this one, the same object will be translated in that position. So I just keeping this one, just apply and close. Here you can see this object also we have and one more object which is translated here. The same object is copied and translated here. Now I'm going to use a Boolean operation. So the main plate is box. From that I just want to cut this cylinder. So go to operation. There is an option called Boolean. Here there are different options are there. One is fuse. Fuse, what it will do, it will combine both the objects. So I'm just going to explain later. Now we just want to make cut. Go to cut. So now our main object is box 1 and tool object is translation 1. Deduct self interaction and make it tick and then we just give apply and close. Now see, we got a final object of cut 1 which is the plate with hole. So this is the way we can create a plate with hole geometry using a Boolean operation in Salome meca. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.